So this morning, I'm about to show you what could be the school lunch of the future. Mom and Dad, imagine this: healthy and nutritious food your kids actually want to eat. I went to Virginia Beach to see how this new concept is already spreading from school to school. Lunch looks a bit different these days at Kempsville High School.
It's actually really good.
Both what's on ninth grader Abigail Corpus's tray.
I have a bacon, lettuce, tomato, turkey wrap, and I have milk and some apples.
And where she picks it up. The old image of the cafeteria lady is history.
We are moving away from that. We'll see you over at the truck.
Nick Vadia is a district sous chef with Virginia Beach Schools. Today, he's running Big Blue, this cafeteria on wheels. First of its kind in southeastern Virginia, the idea of a roving food truck was born out of necessity.
Not all the kids can get to the cafeteria in time, so we've thought that this food truck not only could help in the high schools, but also help in other schools.
Big Blue helps with something else, too, the school system's healthy eating concept. Scratch Kitchen incorporates more fresh fruits and veggies in meals. Many items no longer start frozen. They're freshly made each day. Part of the reason this works? Students are heavily involved.
We give it to them for free in a sampling. Then we want to ask them what they feel about it, what they like or don't like about it.
A recent study led by VCU researchers found that is important. They tracked the nutritional value of the food kids chose at schools and what they actually ate. It found, in essence, kids are picky. You want them to eat healthier, make the food taste better. School lunch has really come a long way since you and I were in school.
Yes, yes.
It's Maritza Rodriguez-Brown's job to create that change. She's busy developing new menu items, even if it means sneaking the good-for-you stuff in.
There's a lot of recipes where we'll blend in the onions, because a lot of kids don't like onions or peppers, and and they like it.
The day I visited, the menu featured these taco salads, veggies for the pico de gallo, freshly chopped that morning, even an option to substitute vegan crumbles for the meat.
The kids are very honest. They'll say, yuck, I don't like it, or they'll say, oh, this is really good.
All 83 beach schools now serve made-from-scratch breakfast and lunch items. Many of the offerings are a big hit.
The breakfast quesadillas. I went to a school last week, and they tore it up.
And really, that's the goal: serving healthier meals students actually want to eat.
Taco salad, again, fresh ingredients.
And in a way, that works for them. What's it been like having options like this food truck for lunch?
It's actually really great.
I mean, to be honest, the food looked and smelled really good. And the bonus is that there's a lot of nutrition packed in there as well. So I think they found that secret recipe to get the kids to actually eat the right stuff.
Put your earmuffs on, kids, this morning. It's not.
I mean, it's still a taco salad. Yeah. It still tastes good, right?
No, that was awesome. That was really cool.